everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 14th to the 18th of March 2022 on Monday. Ntokozo is horrified to learn ladies expect him to be a gardener. Sonto suspect Mazet knows the truth about Chiamo's worries on Tuesday. Officer Nabe get closer to finding the culprit behind this Dumo's attack. Ntokozo struggled to come to terms with Mazet's accusation on Wednesday. Things for Dumo and Brain get worse when Stompy lands where they are. Zoto attempt to pry into Bongani's past relationship on Thursday. Sondo takes Dumo's matter into her own hands. Gladys ruins every desperate effort made by Melusi on Friday. Dumo put pressure on Pumlani to send him a lifeline. Zoto accuses Bongani of being unfaithful. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.